So today we are going to see about the first program of C programming. So we have already seen what is C programming. So now we are going to see about the DT stage of C programming. So design thinking DT stages, the human centered approaches which of problem solving. So here we have used the understanding path and clarity of with defining to generations, and the prototypes we are using the programs which we have created, and the test is which is used for the evolution of process. So here we uses the encourages of the innovations and improves the satisfaction, and for improving we just collect the feedbacks from the customers and supports the problem solving techniques, and it also improves the development of the codes and developments of the risk which we have facing upon the by creating applications development, and at the same time for the gaming developments anyhow. So first we are going to see about the C. So C, we have already know that it is a traditional first programming language which is created in 1972. C is a structured programming language, and C are program in C are written using functions, and every C program starts with the main function. The header files are included using hash include. Printf is used to display the display output on the screen. So statements ends with the semicolon, and the curly braces defines with the block of the code, and the compilation converts C code into machine code. For example programs which includes the hello world. So this it is used for developed mainly in software developing operating system, and it is also used for developing MySQL, and it is also used for gaming development applications, and it follows a proper structure and syntax, and it helps the student to understand the basic concept of execution of C programming. At the same time it is a very basic language for the modern languages like Java, PHP, Perl. For this a very used as a very modern language. So we're going to see about the first C program. The first C program is Hello World program. So for creating this we can create first 5 lines that simple like complete C program. It is ready to run. The compile and execution in seconds, and learning foundation which builds the programming language. So this uses a studio.h main function and printf and return function, and it's used as close braces. So here we are going to see about, next we are going to see about the how what are the codes behind this. So first understanding the code, first the code should be divided into two types. One is main function and another one is preprocessor directive. So here the hash includes studio.h which is studio.h is a content of file into your program. It is a standard library which is given for the input and output. Printf is used for print the function, and scanf is used for the give the input data, and it is processed before the compilations and required for printf function. And the main function here it is used between curly braces. It should be used within the curly braces. If it is not, the system will be wrong, and simultaneously it is full and full structure language, and it is used sub procedures, and the program execution which starts here is all code. Inserts is between the blocks, and the main functions, the entire point of the every C program is used. So int is returns on integers value. Here it is used for the before functions and understanding the code. So the print function and return statement, the print function is used as the hello world, and the return statement used as 0, and the printf outputs text on the screen, and from the studio.h library, and a slash n is created for a new line character, and string inside puts in the double set quotes, and return statement ends the main function which is ends 0 to the operating system and 0 is the successful execution which requires the int main function. So here next the from code to executions we have used the source code from your program, preprocessor processor which has include the compiler which translate the machine code, hello.o object code, linker, and hello.execute which executable the run program. So key point is the entire process happens in the milliseconds, and modern compilers like GCC handles all the steps with the single command. So next is step by step guide. So first we have to write the code, and we have to compile, and next we are going to execute. So before while compile the program, the source code of the GCC compiler is used for the compile, and execute is used for the run the executable program, and to write a code we have used the open editors and to use the C program. So different ways to write a hello world: without return statement, using put statement, and with commands. So without return statement we use just print the hello world, just printing the hello world words, and by puts equation, puts also is a type of input data, same it will access the return 0. So it automatically added a new lines. This is simpler in tags, so it will not return value, just simply display the hello world, simply just display. But using puts it will uses the simpler value. Next is with the commands. So it is used just for just is getting a greeting on the screen, just it is flow the output message, that is hello world. It is also chooses for the commands. So what we should not do. So the missing semicolon, it is a wrong. So the we should not, we have to put a semicolon. So saving a C function, missing return statement, and best practices should be used here is always end statements with the semicolon. Return 0 should be ends. Save the C extension while we saving, and hash includes libraries. So key points takeaway is to every C program needs main function, printf statement, and import libraries and compilation, and this is how we are going to write the C program. Thank you.